Okay, so hello everyone, and welcome again to our English lessons. Today we are going to have a lesson about vocabulary, okay, related to science and technology. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we have science and technology. Okay, so what do we mean by science? Okay, so science is the process of producing knowledge via observation and investigating natural phenomena. Okay, this is what we mean by science. So normally when we talk about science, we talk about observation. Okay, we try to observe something that is outside, okay, in our world. And also we try to investigate. It means in order to know why we have some phenomena. So we try to ask questions, and we try to do later on some experiments. And for the technology it is applied science, so practical. It's the ability to change the world with materials. So please remember that here science, we are talking about something that is theoretical, okay? Theoretical. And for technology, we are talking about something that is practical. So first of all, we start with theory, then we move to practice. Okay? Examples. What are some types of technology in science? So please, when we talk about science, we talk about fields. We have math, physics, chemistry, biology. Okay? So here we have science. Okay? And for technology, we can talk about many things that we have in our world right now, in our life. So we have, for example, keyboard, smartphone, mobile phone, electronics, Android, computer, laptop, mobile phone, robotics, and mass media. Okay, so here remember that science. So please, science, here we have subject, observations, investigations, and experiments as well. For technology, it is here we are talking about some materials, okay? Materials that we have, or devices, or gadgets, okay? So, science. What are some examples of science? We can talk about, so first one here we have, good, this is chemistry. So, you know what is chemistry. So here we are talking about science, remember, chemistry, mathematics, and computer science again, so it is a science of computer. Also we have astronomy, okay, astronomy, and we have geography, we have some chemistry again, it is repeated, and we have biology, and also we have physics. Okay, so we have physics. Okay, so these are some examples of science. So in this science we try to observe, we try to investigate, okay, we try to experiment, okay, so we do a lot of things. So here we are talking about the theoretical part. Now we will move to technology. When we talk about technology, we find the following. We have, this is, for example, number one here, we have, this is a computer, okay, we have computer and laptop, number three, mouse, very good. Number four, we have, yeah, smartphone or mobile phone. Then we have this one, we have a keyboard, very good. We move to, yeah, good, here we are talking about mobile phone, but the function is, what do we do here? Is that we text, or we try to give or to send messages, okay? Next one is games, okay, let's try to play games. We have a screen, touchpad or tablet. Okay, we have tablet. Next one is website. Okay, again we have website. Here we are talking about the internet. Okay, website. For example, Google, Wikipedia, etc. And email. Okay, this is an electronic letter, and we have Wi-Fi here. So as you can see here, we're talking about technology. We're talking about devices or materials, right? Okay. Now let's talk about some technological gadgets or devices. What are some of other technological devices? Okay, so as you know that this is the lesson of vocabulary, so we'll try to discover some new vocabularies. So again, so here we have some pictures. Try to know what is the item in English, okay? Each item. So first picture, so what is this? This is a Good. Smartphone or mobile phone. Good. This is a cell phone. Very good. Number 3, we have telephone. Very good. Then we move to number 4. Phone battery. Very good. Phone battery. This is a battery for the phone. And we have a phone charger. So we have a charger and we have a battery. And very good. Power bank. Okay, we have a power bank. Okay. Other examples. So we have first one again. So we have number 1, smart TV. Very good. We have TV receiver, and we have again a router. Very good. Next one is desktop. Very good. We have a desktop, and we have laptop. Okay, we have a laptop here, and we have tablet. Very good. We have a tablet. Okay, let's move to the next list. We have again, so we have a monitor. So we have a monitor, sometimes called screen. Okay, and we have keyboard. Good. This one is used for typing. Very good. On the computer or the laptop. Sometimes if the laptop doesn't have a keyboard, so sometimes we give some external keyboard. Next we have a mouse. Yes, mouse. And we have a photocopier, and we have printer, and the next one is scanner. Okay, we have a scanner. These are some of devices that we use in our life. Okay, so another list. Okay, so here what do you have? Good. Microphone. Very good. We have a microphone or a mic. We have earphones. We have earphones. We use it, for example, for listening to music or other things. Number 3, we have speakers. Very good. We have a speakers here, also for listening to something. Here we have some cables. So we have the AV cable, we have USB cable, and we have HDMI cable. Okay, these are some of the cables. Okay, so we use them nowadays because of what? Or thanks to technology. Okay. Again, another list. So here we have, this one is symbol of Wi-Fi. Very good. Here we're talking about internet connection. We have a very good Android. We have Bluetooth. Very good. We have GPS. Very good. We have GPS. And we have Windows. Very good. This is where Microsoft. So here we are talking about, this is Microsoft. We talk about Windows here, Windows XP or Windows 7, 8 or 10. Okay, and again we have here we are talking about some apps that we use. Social media. We have WhatsApp. Okay, we have WhatsApp. So here we have some technology and science related icons. Okay, or logos or symbols, right? Okay, now let's move to some practice. Time for practice. So here we have some collocations. We have A and B. So in A we have search, memory, atomic, online, internet, remote. We have bomb, code, addiction, engine, and we have shopping, and we have control. So what we need to do is we need to do a matching. Let's start with number 1. For example, search. Do we say search control or search shopping or addiction or what? Good. We say search engine. Okay, we have search engine. What do we mean by search engine? Here we are talking about Google. It are some websites that we use for to search for information or some books or articles. Okay, for example, Google, it is called a search engine. Okay, search engine. Number 2, we have memory. Yeah, we have memory card. Okay, we say memory card. Okay, this memory card, it is using for storing some files into this small or tiny device. Atomic, we have atomic bomb. Very good. Online. Good. Online shopping. Okay, so you know what is shopping? Sometimes we do shopping online via using the internet. Okay, via using the internet. So instead of going outside in order to do shopping, we try just to do it in our homes. Okay, internet. Good. Addiction. Okay, so internet addiction. Okay, it means that we have some people are addicted to internet. You are addicted when you are using or you are spending most of your time using the internet. So you cannot live without internet. So you become addicted to the internet. Then we have remote control. We have remote. This one is called. We use it for TV. For example, we say remote control. Okay. Another exercise. So here another activity. We have some words. So we try to give definition. Okay. So we have CD, mass media, cell phone, password, download, satellite, technology, sign up, cloning. So CD. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? So CD it is. Okay, good. So we have written disk, use it to store files. Okay. Mass media. Means of communication. Very good. So mass media means means of communication. Okay. Or mass media refer to means of communication. Cell phone. Good. It is a small device used for calling or texting. Okay. We use it for calls or texting. Texting it means to send messages. Password. Password it is electronic key that gives access to a device or a website. Okay. So it is called a password. Okay. Download. So we have a process of storing files from web. Okay, so we try to store something from a web. So this is what we mean by download. Satellite. Good. It is a huge device that broadcasts signals. Okay, satellite. For example, when you watch TV, we have Nilsat. So Nilsat it is a satellite. Okay, Hotbird it is a satellite, or Astra it is also a satellite. Technology. Tools that facilitate people's life. Okay, so without technology, life would be a bit difficult. So technology facilitates people's life. It makes our life easy. Sign up. It is to subscribe to a certain website. Okay, to subscribe to a certain. What do you mean by subscribe? It means that to write your name, your full name, email, and you become a member of this website. Because if you want to become a member of a website, you need to subscribe. You need to give your information and etc. Cloning. It is a biological process of genetic engineering. Okay, so biological process. So please, when we talk about cloning, so here we're talking about biology. Okay, something that is we're talking about genetic issues. Okay. Good. Now let's move to the next exercise. So we have fill in the blanks. Here we have some blanks with the following words. We have Wi-Fi, social media, mouse, email, keyboard, laptop, or experiments. Okay, so let's start with number 1. You use to write on computer. We use it for writing on computer. Is it Wi-Fi or social media, mouse, email, keyboard, laptop, or experiments? So it is, yes, keyboard. Very good. To write on a computer, it has letters or characters on. And number 2, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are types of social media. Very good. So it is social media. So please, we call Facebook, Insta, and Twitter social media. Number 3, is a computer that can travel with you. So it's like a light computer or a small computer. So it is laptop. Very good. So laptop. Number 4, internet connections without wires or cables. It means that if you want to use internet without wires or without cable, what do we use? Wi-Fi. Very good. So because Wi-Fi is internet without cable or without wire. Okay. Number 5, N is an electronic letter. So remember that here it is a letter and it is electronic. So it is email. Very good. So it is email. Okay. Please pay attention. Electronic. We have a mistake here. And number 6, we have you use to move or click on something. So it is a mouse. Very good. We use a mouse to click on something, to move something. A computer or computer technologies are important for scientific experiments. Very good. You know what's experiments? Yeah, good. So we use it for scientific experiments. So for example, also for computers are good for to conduct experiments. Last one is some nations in Africa can't access the internet. It means that they don't have the internet, unfortunately. And we hope that everyone in Africa has internet. Okay, and we hope for a better future. Okay, so now what I wanted to do is I want you to think about some advantages of technology and disadvantages of technology, because as we know that technology, it is not always beneficial for people. We have some bad aspects concerning technology and we have some bad aspects. So what I want to do is I want to think about some advantages of technology and some disadvantages of technology, and I want you to write a paragraph. Okay, in this paragraph you try to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of technology. For example, when I say internet addiction, is it advantage or disadvantage? Yeah, good, it is disadvantage. And easy access to information, yeah, good, this is advantage. Okay, so thank you very much. This is what we all have for now, and see you in another lesson. Okay, goodbye.